Hello, my name is Steven Aldrich Sumonte. I'm trying to do this again because the video is too long. So let's go this out. So I already did it before. So this is my email, first name, student ID, GitHub username, my GitHub portfolio. Yep. So let's start again. So requirement one. So OP graphics jar, copy edit to project, show projects. So here we go. So this is my OOP assignment, and you can see in the reference libraries. So OOP graphics jar, the main class, look at the OOP graphics class right here. So there we go. So yes, so project contains main class, extends yes. Yep. So you can see here, this is my class called Turtle Graphics. It extends OOP graphics, and in my main class, it calls the Turtle Graphics. So, not calls, it creates the object Turtle Graphics. So, there we go. Yes. So, animation. Yep. So, when we run this code, main class does the turtle dance. Yep. Next. And then, yep. So, this is the video. The main class equals the object Turtle Graphics, and the Turtle Graphic class. This is where most of the methods are. And here. So, this is where the process command is. Okay. So, good, okay, so type the about method, it should show the animation video. So let's name it again. It's not sure here. Okay. Check it in the code. So whatever is typed into the text field, so it stores in this variable input string. So and then we create a string array called inputs. So input we split it if it has a space. And the inputs, then it's split to with 2, with 3, with 4, depending on how many values we put into the text file. So input, if we type one value inside, so input like 1. So word 1. So if it's equal to about, let's find it somewhere around here. I missed the data. So if word 1 that equals about, to call the about method. Okay, yes, so requirement 2. Yep, cannot rerun like program. Okay, so pen down. So yep, type pen down. With the show pen down. Make sure that the code should be up here. So yep, pen down. So we're going to pen down. Call the pen down method and display pen down. Yep. So forward command works. Yep, I had a mistake with this earlier. So um, yep. So the forward. Let's just do 10. And then it wants us to do another forward 100. So forward 100. There we go. So let's show the code. Oops, there we go. So this works only when you have two values entered. So there we go. So input that equals 2. So we have forward right here. So it goes the forward command, and we have num1, where um, we converted the string into an integer. So there we go. yes, yes. Backwards command. Okay, same with forward. So we backward 10. Oops, I'm spelling. Oops, we'll grab this backward 10. And then it wants us to do backward 100. So backward 100. Remove. Yep. So let's show the code first. So this is forward, and then we have backward here, same idea. Backward command, and it has the number. So turn left, oops. Turn left command works. So, yep. These two are basically the same. So turn left 90 degrees, then forward 100. So turn left 90 degrees. There we go. Turns left, then forward 100. So we can create the end shape later. So let's show the command. Same idea with forward and backward. The loop, so turn right. We call the turn right method of the OP graphics class, and then number. So this works. Then turn right. So it's up to the same. So we're gonna be needing to create the end later. So turn right 90 degrees, then forward 100. Go. And it shows here all is working. We're going to see an in shape. So yep, let's just show the code. So this is turn right, this is turn left, so turn left method, turn right method. Okay, so next is pen up, and then turn right method. So we do pen up. There we go. And then it wants us to turn right 90. Turn right. Oops. Oh yeah, I didn't call it. It still works. Then forward 100. 100. There we go. Yep. So our pen up command is here. So if I input equal to 1, so we call pen up method is right here. Okay, so it wants us do 4 colors. So pen down, red, forward 100. So let's the pen down. There we go. So get red to set our pen color to red. Then forward 100. There we go. So create a red line. So it wants us to do 4 more colors. So let's do blue. Forward, let's just do 80. And then what is this about this to do? Oh yeah. And the color is yellow. Forward 80. Good. Let's turn right. Let's have green. Blue. Forward 180. There we go. So 4 colors. Show the commands. So whenever we type green, so set pen color, which is one of the methods of the OP graphics class. So we set it to green. If it's red, we set it to red. If it's white, we set it to white. If we type in blue, it become blue, then yellow. Oh. Okay, so yep, it works. So click command on the far left, click space. So let's have it here. So we clean. And part 1, join let's say version of the playlist. So let's show that part of the code. So clear, we have clear, so I'll explain this later. So we have J option pane, show confirm dialog. This is the small window that popped up earlier. So um, it so when the window pops up, we have yes or no. So if you type I think if you type yes, it will be a value of 0. So whatever value, if it's yes or no, it will be either 1 or 0. And then if the J option pane, if you click the OK option, it will like equal. So if you click OK, this will return true, then it will clear it. Okay, so next reset command. Okay, so let's have to, I'm assuming this means turn right. So turn right, forward 100. There we go. Vanish on the type reset. So let's type reset. There we go. So it goes back. Okay, let's show the code. There we go. We got reset right here. So if word or if we type in the text word reset, we will call the reset method of the OP class. Okay. Okay, so parametry validating commands. So it's checking errors. So let's say that xxxx. So it will return command I recognize. So how does that work? So at the very end of this, so there we go. This only works if this only works. Let's go down. There we go. Okay, so this only works if we only have one value entered. So see here. So we have command found, which is a Boolean variable. So we have commands right here. This is it's right here. So commands is an array of strings, so it contains all the possible commands that we can put inside the text field. So there we go. So we got the for loop here. So whatever is in here, it puts it in string command one by one. Then command equals ignore the word one. So if it equal so whatever is in here, if it's equal to what we type in the text field, it will make our boolean value to true, and then we will break it immediately. But if it doesn't find anything, it's still false, and command not found equals false. So it will say command not recognized. So it did not find it inside it did not find the command inside the commands right here. So we go. Yep. Yep. So this one parameter forward with no parameters. So type forward. Forward. There we go. Cannot move parameter not given. So that's in yep. It's part of the equals one. So we have forward right here. So just the forward one just equals to forward. It will display cannot move parameter not given. That's it. It's done. So the text numeric parameters for xxx. So type forward xxx. Invalid command non-numerical value entered. So it's right here. So we inputted two values. So there we go. Input equals 2. So it will check here at the try. So right after the try, so we have num1 integer value of word 2. So word 2 is where our second value is going to be stored. So it converts this into an integer. So if we have 100, it will convert it into an integer. But if we put a letter or word like 1, or if we put like low, it will create an error. So that's why we have this try block right here. So number format exception. So it will say invalid command non-numerical value. Okay. So next one, yes, it's a bounds parameters. So yep, let's try that. So if we have forward forward 800. Here we go. So yep. So if it um, so if it goes too far, it will just return to original place. So let's try it again. So if we do forward 170. Okay, so it's near the end. So if we forward 80, we'll just move back immediately. So the way that works is, let's see. Yep, so we got forward right here. So forward now, and right below that we have if statement. So get y pulse and yeah, get x position. So this is the position of the turtle on the x-axis, and then we also have the position of the turtle on the y-axis. So the easy way to explain this is, so we got min x and max x. So vertically, this is the y. So the smallest y is 0. So that's at the bottom, and the max is 400 max y. So up here is 400. And then for the x, which is horizontally, so max x is here, which is 800, and min x is 0, which is here. So whenever it detects that if the turtle's position is lower than 0, then it will just call the backwards method, and then it will just, the turtle will just move backwards. So yep, that's the idea. So next, printers, yes. So requirement for saving loading. So say command for something with the command code. So yeah. So let's just reset, and let's just do square 100. Oops, and then down square 100. There we go. So yep. So type save. There we go. File is saved. You can see that here in our Eclipse. Let's see here. Turtle image. There we go. So this is what we draw. Let's see. Yep. So save image. It is. It wants us to open up in a paint package. I'm not sure what it means, but I think it means open it here in the paint. So got a file. Oops. So go to file. So open. And then there we go. So it's here. We can do stuff. Let's see. So yep, this works. Open on secure the screen. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to show the save. Okay. So yep. So let's find our save. Check this our save command, and it will close save. So and we have our method right here. So save. So have it in a try block just in case any errors happen. So we create a variable with the data type of buffer image, and we use it to store the get buffered image, which is what is displayed here. So it gets stored into image turtle. And then next we need to create a file. So the file name is here. There we go, image file name, which is turtle image.png. So we can have a place to store it. There we go. Let's see. Yep. So and then we use image input output. So we use it to write. We use it to write what is stored in image turtle and put it inside here, which is this one right here, and we have a file extension of png. So that's it. Next is we want us to load. Okay, so let's clear it. Use clear. Okay, then we use load. There we go. We'll load the image. So code. Let's go here. So this is load right here. So the same idea, but instead of writing it, we read what's inside the image file. That's why it's a variable class. So whatever changes happens, whatever changes happens inside this, it will change. So there we go. So yep, we'll take what is currently saved in this file name. It will read it. It will store it into image turtle. So we set the buffered image to that one. So it will display whatever we saved, which is right here. So yep. So yes. So save all commands previously type as a text file or something. So okay, so if we do save command, so to save command saved, um, we can check that in our Eclipse. So if we go here, we have text image, so that saves all our commands here. So to check it, save commands. So we use print writer, which is a variable of the print writer, or to the file writer variable of print writer, and the file writer uh, we make it how do you say this? It takes the file, so whatever is here. So currently it's empty, so the text file is empty, and then we have compile input. So here it's at the very beginning of the process command, so we can see input, this compile input, that add input. So this compile input is an array list, so it's also a variable class. So whatever is added, it's saved. So whatever's in here, it gets put into the input, and then it ignores commands like save command, load, save, load, remove image, remove text, clear command. So it does not take any of those. Then the file writer prints it in the text file. So that's what we have here. There we go. Okay, so it wants us to create something. So let's just add some stuff. So return right, and do red, and forward 200. There we go. So we try around. So if we save command, oops, say some extra stuff in it, so we just need to remove text. There we go. So save command. There we go. Save command. And if we check this again, so let's there we go. You can see at the very bottom we got red forward 200, which is what we typed earlier. Okay, so it works. So load a text file commands and executes them. Section shortcode. So if we type so let's type here. We clear the image. Okay, so clear. Yes, and then we want to reset. Go. So we want the load command. There we go. So while it's doing that, you can also see it here in our console that it's doing stuff. So there we go. Yes. So this is the yes. So yep, that's what we do. So I tried to save it in a separate tab right here in the text file, but it doesn't work that correctly. So my title image is kind of a little bit glitchy. But yep, um, okay, yeah, I'm not sure this is correct. So I'll just no, I could not do this just in case because yeah, it's kind of confusing. Okay, so yep, so yep, so I think we already loaded the image earlier. So if you type save, it should yeah, it has a one. Oh no no no, remove image. So it's removed, which is what is right here. So if you do that. So yeah, I cannot save if something is inside there. So yeah, if you do clear, there we go. Yep. So are you sure you want to clear your drawing? Okay, no. I forgot to explain the load. So yeah, if we go here and we check our load commands, so so we create a variable file. So whatever is in the text file, which is right now it contains this. So it's stored in here. So file reader, it scans through the file. So we create a string line which is empty. And file reader has next, it detects if there's a line inside. So line is equal to file reader dot next line. So we check each line every time. In system, it will print it out here. And then finally, it will do the process command. Yeah, this that process command, which is part of the OP graphics class. So yep, that's it. Then we close the file and we say command loaded. Review. Yep. Yep. So I already showed this one displayed. So how does that work? So in our clear command, it's not here. It's over at the bottom. There we go. Yep. So yep, I'll explain this later. So we got J option pane and show confirmation dialog. So this is a dialog. It shows whether you want to see yes or no. So let's show that again. So if you type clear, there we go. It says, are you sure you want to clear your drawing? Yes or no? So just say no for now. So are you sure you want to clear your drawing? So if you choose either yes or no, int a, the value a will either store a 0 or a 1 depending on your answer. So if if you type OK, so this value will be equal to this value. So uh, so the int here stored is either 0 or 1, so yes or no. So depending on the answer, it will call this and it will clear it. Okay. Try to clear, show some warning, yes. So it works. Oops. So a warning is displayed using a GUI box. That image is not saved. Okay. So let's say wait a sec. It's the same answer. Yeah, I think it's the same. Something. Show the one. Yep. Yeah. So yeah, that's what I explained here. So yeah, drawing is not saved. So yeah, let's go to requirement 5, inheritance. So it wants us to override the about method. So yep, let's just call it first. So about. So yep, it goes to the original position. It appends my name. So already know how it works. So let's see how I. Yep, so there we go. About method. So we override it. We go super about. But instead, it displays a message. I try using JLabel, but if you use a JLabel, you won't be able to clear it out of the panel. So I just use display message. So here we go. So yep. So implement square. So let's do it's clear. Yes. So reset. There we go. So we want square. Oops. We have to pen down. Square 100. There we go. So show that in the code and that works. Should be the row square. So we just move forward, turn right, forward, turn right, forward, turn right. So the square is only 90 degrees, so it's easy to make. Okay, next is so yes. So pen wants us to make different kinds of colors and also wants to do error check. Okay, so if you have pen color 200, 100, 140. There we go, new color pen. So we type square 100. There we go. It's kind of a pinkish, purplish. So, so let's try the errors. Pen color. So if you do 280, 200, 200, we save parameters. So 255, so can make color, and we also have pen color. We do white 100, 100. So invalid command, and we make enter. So we do pen color negative 100, 100, 100. Set negative. So invalid command negative. So we check here. So we entered 4 values. So we need to go at the very bottom. Nope. We're linked. Yep. So length is equal to 2. So there's a try back again, so it turns the string into integers. So that's the error we saw earlier. Invalid command, non-numerical value entered. As for then as for negative numbers, so if num1, num2, or num3 is less than 0, so it will call this command right here. And then we got right here, if it's over 255, it will display this message right here. So here we go. Yes, we have pen width. So let's show pen width. So let's say pen width. Let's make it to 10. So if we do square again, square 100, we have a thicker line this time. So there we go. There's a thicker line. So let's show that in the code. Pen width. So it's only one parameter, so it should be around here. Let's see. What set load new text about. Where is it? Oh, no. It's two values. So yeah, it's supposed to be somewhere around here. It's two values. There we pen width. So set stroke, which is part of the OP graphics method. So we have num1, so whatever second value entered, that will be the width of the pen. So yep, and yes, it's working. So we get triangle. Let's do triangle. So let's pen weight. Let's put it back to 1. So for so triangle. triangle, so this equilateral triangle. There we go. It creates an equilateral triangle. And if we go here, should be somewhere around here. There we go, equitriangle. So an equilateral triangle has same equal angles, so it's all 60. So even and we minus it by 80. Since wherever the turtle is facing, it's always 0, so we need to minus it by 60 to have to get the 60 angle. So yeah, we minus it by 60. Okay, next triangle. Okay, further triangle. So it wants us to have true values. So let's show that. Let's clear. Yes. Let's turn right. So we have more space. So the triangle. Let's do 300 to 80 to 40. Triangle. There we go. We create the triangle. There we go. Unfortunately, I couldn't get it to be accurate. There's a little bit of inaccuracy. So let's show you how the code works. So we have create triangle, and another important one is called find angle. So since all the sides are given, what we are supposed to find are the angles. So yep, so we get this formula right here. This formula is uh, the law of cosine formula. So if you search it on the internet, it's on the internet. And then uh, right here we separate them to find the highest and lowest values. So we separate that, and it's same for the sides. So when we create a triangle, so let's say we put 100, 100, 100, so it will call this if statement right here. Or if you type 150 then 100, so we will check if there's two sides that are equal, it will call this part of the code. But if so if all the sides are different, it will call this one. So this one, it will find the highest one and lowest one. And the reason why we want to find the highest and lowest is so that the triangle can be created properly. So we start with the longest, then we start with the least. What you call this? Mid the mid one, and then we go with the lowest value, which is the last one. So it's a bit inaccurate, but it works. So I think this counts. So yep, things that are not specific requirement. And marking scheme. So yeah, I did try this earlier. So I added JTab pane. So it's right here. Save image. Unfortunately, it's not working that properly. So let's say remove text. Yep. So we removed it. So let's say save image, save. So file save. However, it saves like the previous one, so I don't know why it does that. So it doesn't work. So let's show the code how I did that. So if you go here, so we use JTabbing. Where is it? There we go. JTabbing, which is tabs, new tabs. So new tab pane, and then we created two more panels. So panel 2 and panel 3, and we just add them to the tabs, and then the main frame we just add the tabs because it has everything there. So yep, that's how it goes. And I guess another one is we have a rocket. So clear this and type rocket. It changed the turtle into a rocket. And if you go forward 100, unfortunately the line is not in the center, so I don't know how to fix that. So how we did that was, see, we have rocket right here, and we also have resize image. So resize image. So we created another file name. So it's here. It's called resize image.png. So we created the file. So image file. and then we created a new image. It reads the file name. So yep, so this resize image takes the file name. So right here we have resize image, which is this method right here. So the file name is rocket uh, rocket remove vg.png. So it's right here. So it finds that, it stores it right here, and then image resize image equals the image that gets scaled. So we want to make it smaller. So new height, new width, new height, and image scale. So the smaller image is already inside here, so it's called resized image. So we need to create another buffered image. So we call it new image with the same scale as the resized one. And then the new image, we create the graphics, then we draw the image, and then put the resized image here to create it again. And then here we go. So image, we need to write it, the new image, PNG, image file, which is resize image. So which is right here. So resize PNG. So yep. So so you take the file that you want to make smaller, you put it here, and then set the turtle image list that we resize image file name. So yep, that's where this is where the new size is stored. So there we go. Unfortunately, it's not aligned properly. So yep, that's all I did. So yep, it's already here. So yep, I'm done. That's all. Okay, thank you for watching.